Amazon best-selling Arkansas Pro heavy-duty replacement inner tube. The product buying link in this video description. Fits vehicles like lawnmowers, hand trucks, wheelbarrows, yard trailers, dollies, trolleys, wagons, snow blowers, pressure washers, air compressors, generators, go-karts, wood chippers, and more. Guaranteed fit. Made heavy-duty from quality materials, our inner tubes are made from premium, 100% natural rubbers. It's our job to make dependable and durable inner tubes, and we do it right. Count on Arkansas Pro. Safety first is our motto. We designed this inner tube to be explosion-proof. When and if punctured, it immediately creates an airtight seal to prevent damage, destruction, and injury to the rider. Safe in any season or weather condition. Adds comfort to your ride. With thick rubber that absorbs shocks, 4x thicker than other brands, you won't feel the bumps and hollows because the vehicle will glide along, protecting one from the force. Now that's comfortable. US-based customer service, we respond to any questions or inquiries within 5 hours. Not happy with your purchase for any reason? Not a problem, our 30 days free return exchange policy ensure you shop worry-free.